We know life can be expensive, so we want you to get the most bang for your buck and great food. This is Early Bird Catches. We're in Orwell Road. Killery mussel chowder with trout roe and a leek foam. This is just, look at that, beautiful. That's stunning. It doesn't get better. So we've got mooncoin beetroots, St. Tola goat's cheese, and a blackberry hoisin sauce. Deadly, absolutely deadly. Banging. Confit Furcullen duck leg. So this is the duck leg, shredded. The crunch on this is gorgeous. It's meaty, it's delicious. If you eat it, you'll feel good. Roasted squash, goat's curd. That's a side, and it's that good. Hake with a warm tartar sauce. This smells incredible. It's herby, it's vibrant. Hake is just flaky, gorgeous, fresh. Cooking on this is perfect. This is really good. Fig leaf ice cream with burnt figs. The texture of that ice cream is just so smooth. Pistachio and blackberry Bakewell tart. Creme fraiche sorbet, which sounds amazing. Oh my God. The neighbourhood menu in Orwell Road. Spectacular value, brilliant cooking. 2 courses, €34. 3 courses, 42. Really, really excellent. This has been Early Bird Catches. Stay tuned for more great value all around Dublin.